Welcome to our video. Do you enjoy the nature? In this video, we are going to learn about nature in English. 1. Beach. The beach is a haven of peace and joy. It relaxes the mind, reduces stress, and offers fun exercise. The sun boosts your mood and health. Nature's beauty sparks creativity and clears your mind. Time at the beach nurtures your spirit and brings people together, enriching your life. 2. Mountains. Mountains inspire awe and adventure. They provide a serene escape, reducing stress and promoting inner peace. Hiking offers great exercise and boosts fitness. The fresh air invigorates, and stunning views spark creativity. Mountains connect you with nature, clear your mind, and bring a sense of accomplishment and rejuvenation. 3. Wildflowers. Wildflowers paint the world with vibrant hues, inspiring joy and wonder. Their beauty uplifts the spirit and connects us with nature's artistry. They symbolize resilience, thriving in adversity, teaching us to bloom wherever we're planted. Wildflowers remind us to appreciate life's simple pleasures and find beauty in every corner of existence. 4. Rain. Rain revitalizes the earth, bringing life to parched lands and nourishing growth. Its rhythmic patter soothes the soul, offering a symphony of tranquility. Rain cleanses the air, refreshing the senses and washing away worries. Embrace the rain's dance, for in its droplets, we find renewal, hope, and the promise of new beginnings.